Hey there! Thanks for tuning in. If you find this content useful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Your support helps us continue sharing valuable insights from the world of manufacturing and industry. We've got lots more interesting topics ahead, but first, let's dive into today's video. Have you ever tried measuring something really tiny, like the thickness of a credit card or a hair? You know how using a regular ruler for that feels kind of useless? That's where something called a digital micrometer comes in, and honestly, it's pretty cool. Think of it like this: imagine you're trying to figure out if two coins are exactly the same thickness. To your eyes, they look the same, but in reality, one might be just a tiny bit thicker. A digital micrometer helps you see that tiny difference. We are talking about measurements so small you probably wouldn't even feel the difference if you touched them. It works sort of like a really fancy clamp. You place the object between two flat surfaces and gently turn a knob until it just touches the part you are measuring, not too hard, just enough. Then boom, the screen gives you an exact number. You don't have to squint at any tiny lines like on old school tools, the number just pops up digitally. Super easy. People use it a lot in places where precision matters, like making car parts, airplane bits, or anything where close enough isn't good enough. Even a tiny error can make a big difference in how things work. So yeah, it's basically like having superpowered eyes for measuring. Makes you appreciate how much detail goes into the stuff we use every day, right? Found that easy to follow? Then don't miss our video on the mechanical micrometer. We break it down step by step, making precision measurements simple and stress-free. Perfect for anyone looking to master accurate readings without the confusion. Check it out now.